If you can take a cup of this, no doctor in the hospital wants to see you.
Hey guys, so as you guys can see, the girl is on the way to the river right now. So this is going to be the intro to the river vlog, which is long awaited because I've been telling you guys that I want to do a river vlog. So shout out to Aki! We're definitely going to the river right now. So this is just the intro. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. Join the fam, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Please tell me where we are.
Bro, we're in Garden Town.
Garden Town, alright.
I'm going to go to a river.
Okay.
We call it Pretty Close.
Oh.
That's literally the name of the river, Pretty Close.
Pretty close. Is there a reason behind the name?
Yeah, because we just take 5 seconds to reach. Because when Jamaicans say, oh, we are going river, or I go.
It's far usually.
Far thing.
Okay.
So you will see when we go forward and how far that river part is.
At the river right now. I am in love. There is a changing room in here, so I must change right now into my bathing suit because I'm gonna do like a mini photo shoot for this company called Kuya, Jamaica. So I'm gonna do that right now, change into the outfits, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Thank you so much. Yeah, they're good.
Best place to be honest with you, this is better than being in a house.
Bama Brownie and Taffy.
Bama Brownie, Lucy and Taffy. The fish them not gonna do nothing to me, we just move it in there, them a go. Alright.
Watch this.
Hell no.
Watch when you feel it. Ah! Ain't that the craziest?
Guys, there's fish in the water that gives you like a pedicure, and it's literally the weirdest feeling. Like, ah! Look how clear this water is, guys. We're about to go to the falls right now, so I'll see you guys when we get there. But this is pretty much just like the calm before the storm.
This is coconut milk here. I greatest.
Yeah.
Your rice and peas, you don't want the hard one with too much oil. You want that one here.
Right.
And you blend them and put in your rice and the stew, everything.
Sugar.
Man. Yes, baby. And this is the right thing.
Yeah.
And you see this now? The bush tea.
Yeah.
The sursi.
Yeah.
You just boil the sursi.
Yeah.
And you use that milk here.
Yeah.
No tin milk.
No tin milk.
See me?
Yeah.
God make milk.
Exactly.
Good, baby.
Love
Nice
that. Love that. Love that.
Of course. Stick to your culture, yeah?
Exactly.
Don't forget your road. Cause your food and your medicine.
Yeah.
And your medicine must be your food. Look here now. Him near search me hard. You see him? Me boil him in my root. Me boil him in my bitters. Me boil him in everything.
Okay.
1 cup of tea at this morning time.
Yeah.
1 cup of this tea, properly dried. You don't want to see nothing else, my darling.
Okay.
You don't
Okay.
have cold, you don't have sinus, you don't have cancer, you don't have nothing. And this is water grass here.
Search my
Pressure.
heart.
Search
Okay.
my heart. Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the red water grass. It's good for
Water
pressure
grass,
too.
okay.
Yeah, anybody have pressure and sugar and them thing there.
Okay.
Good for it.
What
Come
about
on.
diabetes?
All
Search
of them
my
there.
heart. Alright.
You feed on it. And you eat and drink right.
Yeah.
Come at the bamboo and take your water if you don't know water nowhere. No drink no water if you're not catching peak and no water. Come out of bamboo harbor. Good.
Alright.
All of the herd. See that? No house not there. No house. A hill mountain. 500 feet high. beer tree, breadfruit, everything. Water come under the earth. Come in a bamboo. That's what we drink. Don't live on the man-made thing, bro.
No.
Nice stuff.
5 minutes later.
This made of wood.
Yeah.
Wood from the forest. And when I say wood, you pile the thing up my wood. Wood. This made from the trees. The trees. So we're not eating no man-made stuff, no plastic to kill us.
Everything authentic.
Thank you very much. This is how we live. Samurai life. And calabash too.
Oh, you have calabash to the plate, the bowl.
Kaladibashi. They call it godi. That's what the slave used to live in the woods.
Okay.
Because they never have no man-made plates. So they live like this.
Okay.
Yeah. Calabash, we call it paki and godi. A three name in one, you know. Calabash, paki, godi. Even the gutter it inside as a medicine when we scrape it out.
Really?
Yes. And it's very stink. I'll show you a whole one. Look at it. That's what I'm telling you about.
This is the calabash.
This is the thing.
Okay.
And you see the inside of this?
Yes.
Smell it. Just smell. Get the smell. See the smell that come from inside? If you bust the inside of this, you don't want to smell it when it's really fit the right way.
It stinks.
But it's a medicine.
Oh.
If you can take a cup of this, no doctor in the hospital wants you. And you don't want to see him either.
Yeah.
No, come on, take your money.
Yeah.
No plan for you come back every month.
Yeah.
For your medication. I kill him or kill you now.
Yeah.
So this, then
Yes.
and with herbs,
Calabash.
with herbs, Bertram.
Love that.
It is here for the use of man.
Exactly.
But man refuse. Pretty close.
Pretty close.
From the calabash here.
From the calabash.
Yeah, Pakio, Godi, Samurai talk. Anywhere in the world, I say Samurai this.
Samurai this.
St. Andrew Garden Town. Pass this little statue,
Yeah.
all low, and come right up.
Alright, no
Mountain
problem,
side.
no problem. Love that.
No problem. Fire ketchup.
Look at the lizard. Nice. So how long you been doing this, Ramo?
Late 2019, and then the pandemic come, and then we continue working on government services.
Wow.
We stay home and go and work.
Yeah.
2020, when the pandemic really hit me now, I saw the name come up pretty close.
Pretty close. And why is it called Pretty Close?
Well, when the pandemic come, I said this thing are close to me, some of the
Yeah.
pretty close.
Because the rivers is usually far, right?
Yeah, China and them places.
Right, exactly, that's true.
Sometimes I do some press planting and some fry planting. I fried some fish.
Alright, we'll be right back. This is nice. It's a nice setup. Zinc and everything, natural.
Yeah, man, rustic look. So.
So cayenne pepper, okay, nice. How long does it usually take to
grow?
Yeah.
Take a little
Until
while.
it like actually
Take a
harvest.
little while because trying at the pot it is.
Okay.
So we have June plum right here.
June plum, I love June plum, but I hear it's not June plum season right now. So how long you think?
June plum, I tell you about
What?
season. This is June
Everybody
plum
just
season.
tell me say it's not June plum season.
June plum season, man. See pumpkin out here?
Oh, and it go all the way over there.
Yeah, and the spread.
All the way over here, spread, and here is the pumpkin, guys. Nice. So how much pumpkin you got so far from these?
This is the first one.
First one, nice.
So the leaf indicate over the pumpkin root. Like this leaf show you that the pumpkin's so ready. So
Oh. So watch it, that is how you indicate if it's ready.
Yeah.
So once it all
Dry up
now. Nice.
Yeah.
And where you learn all of this stuff, like probably from when you was younger?
That's naturally no.
Naturally?
It's come natural like our purpose.
Nice.
Could be my movie screen right there.
Yeah, you go get a projector.
Yeah, the screen would be there. I have the projector already.
Oh.
It's there. So more use the rock as the same rustic rock.
Nice. And then these are the seats. That is such a good idea. I've never seen that before, guys. We can find you at Instagram at Pretty Close 876, TikTok Pretty Close 876. Nice, not far. So guys, one more thing. I have to show you guys the changing room. This is something I've never seen before. I've never seen a changing room on the river. Comment down below if you've ever seen that before, but I've never seen a changing room on the river. made out of strictly bamboo and all the items that are actually on the river. So I'm going to show you guys really quick. This is from the outside. Then you go inside and literally, bam, a whole changing room, guys, a whole mirror. I don't even know how he even got this in here. I'm just super shocked that this is even a thing, like a changing room. This is a whole different touch on nature, guys. I literally changed here. Literally, like you guys will see the clips of me changing in this exact changing room. There's hangers and everything, and you can tell that this hanger is probably made right here on the river as well. Bamboo, wire, it's perfect. And also, guys, check out Kuya, Jamaica. This is where I got this super cute cover up. I am in love. And remember, guys, I'm also taking a photo shoot on the river, so stay tuned for those clips as well.
Come. Come.
Peel the green plant.
Green plantains.
You have to press them sharply.
Alright.
Peel off the skin. Them just want some fire that's some kind of soft. That you can get to press.
Okay. You grew up around river cooking too?
Yeah, my grandmother used to cook on the river. Like we got wash all them thing there. Catch a jungle and we cook them right there. Bring back some of the old things.
Right.
I lose, you know.
Yeah.
Body of them phone and them tablet and I lose all of them.
Right.
I have to come in the yard and come out and read Jamaica.
Right.
We follow everything, you know. We follow everything that go on.
Yeah.
So we are lose all natural things that we grew up on and everything.
Right. That's true. So the fish, where is the fish from?
The fish, well, I buy it from a fish store.
Okay.
Yeah. The fish from in the river just give you like a pedicure. Them don't.
Yeah, I realized.
After we take it from this, then kind of get a little bit soft, then we press it. So this is my presser I use. So just press it down. You see it flat out?
Wow.
Alright, this is it now. So what we're going to do is just sprinkle a little salt on it and then we fry it again. That's it.
Little bit of oil on it.
Yeah, that's it. Don't stick on the pan.
Okay.
Yeah, man, press
Perfect.
You will have a make it work, you know? So this to the right plant and the fish?
Perfect meal.
Yeah, man.
All my fish lovers, fry fish lovers, plantain lovers, ackee lovers, all of that, all the natural foods, definitely come check out Pretty Close 876. Yeah, Ramo.
Not far.
Not far.
We interrupt this program to bring you
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
I'm gonna take you guys along the journey going to the river, just so you guys can see, you know, the process and the journey on the way there. And I'll see you guys when I get there. I'm gonna take this off right now since this is promo. So I'm gonna take it off, walk in just my bathing suit, and I'll see you guys when we get to the river. Guys, we're walking to the river now.
Will.
He almost slipped. I almost slipped. Make sure you have on the proper shoes, guys, when you come in, because these shoes are real riverman, this, you know. Guys, this is not made for the weak. It's beautiful, beautiful scenery, guys. Wait. But as I said, make sure you're wearing the proper shoes, because you will slip and fall and bust your ass.
This shit feel like a video game. He already knows.
Is this the plant that goes like...
I won't touch one of them. I think that is it, though, yeah.
Oh shoot, courage. Courage probably around here. Courage, like little... There's a plant when I went camping in Jamaica like years ago.
Poison ivy?
And it was like poison ivy.
I have no idea.
You never got...
I don't get anything.
Okay. Look at me, mango.
Now this is a tricky area. Just keep close to the side as possible.
Why the dog don't move out of the way? Excuse me, Lucy. And then I make the trip out there, you know. Go on.
Just walk past him.
Go over.
Yeah.
Come.
One step over.
Be careful on that rock. Where's the mango tree, Akeem? Because I see mangoes on the floor, but I don't see no mango tree. Oh, it's like I'm smelling mango, seeing mango.
That's probably like from the top way.
Yeah.
No, yeah. You're doing real bad. Gymnastics paid off. Like cheerleading, whatever you do.
All of the above. Gosh, I want to come back down.
Yeah, by walking, real height.
Jesus. Whew. Guys, I'll see you when we get there, okay? Because it looks like so we're not even half there yet. This is the last of the climb. Yeah. So I'll see you when we get up there. It was worth it, guys. By the grace of God, we made it to the river. I'm about to chuck off now, so I'll see you guys in the water. I want to find dominoes. We couldn't find no domino. I see that's all of the domino there.
So we're gonna
enjoyed the portions of the river. It was amazing. The water feels so good. So as I said, definitely check it out. You won't regret it for sure. And if you're seeing this right now, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button for more river vlogs. I'm gonna head back, eat some food. I believe it should be done right now. Wish us luck on the journey back, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Jesus, boy, cheese and peas. Jesus Christ. Bruh, look at my pedicure. Oh my gosh. Wait. At this point, I need to just go down backwards.
I don't think that really makes much sense.
Bruh, I thought you said that we don't know about the flat part.
I don't know what's going on. I don't know.
Like, look at my feet. Guys. Jesus Christ.
Stretch
No,
out your hand.
Akeem.
Yes, stretch out your hand.
Yeah, it don't mean shit.
Wait a minute.
Are you almost there?
Yeah, almost there.
Minutes later.
And we're back. Guys, I switched to my phone because I don't want my camera to die before I get to the food. But now that we're back, we're gonna switch back to the camera just so you guys can see better quality of the food. Hungry, I bust my shirt as my mother would have said. And I can't wait to have some of this good cooking on the riverside. So stay tuned. The coconut milk.
Well, blender, but you don't use blender.
So this is like the dry coconut.
Yeah, man.
And you're great at this.
Never need planting some festival, and we have some ripe plant in here. But that's a sauce.
Perfect. Sauce now, alright, go on the thing. Calabash.
Yeah.
And this is made out of calabash too.
No, that's bamboo.
Bamboo and calabash.
Yeah.
Pretty close. Alright.
Part inside, some people say it can't eat, but me not eat it.
Yeah.
You just clean it out and throw it away.
Yeah.
And me need the outer part right there.
To make the bowls and plates and stuff and cups.
All natural, you know?
All natural. Literally everything on this river, guys, is natural. From the coconut to the food to the cups,
Wood fire, everything.
wood fire, everything is literally authentic.
No blender.
No blender, grater right here, so see the grater there, and he grated this coconut and made this milk. Wow.
Rich. Just to do the sauce.
Rich, just to do the sauce, guys. Just to do the sauce. We're pretty close, 876 on Instagram and all platforms. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go to the bathroom. If you guys listen, you can actually hear the water. Can you hear it? Wow, look. I'm definitely gonna be a little sore in the morning. I can already feel it. Wow. He somehow made the water from there come all the way through here. This water is as clear as day, guys. I can probably drink it. Let's check out the bathroom. This is amazing. A whole sink, mirror, and there's literally a stall, guys. Wow. tiles. Wow, they're amazing, guys. They are literally amazing. There is a bathroom. It even has a lock, guys. You go in there, pop a squat.
They know how to use the bathroom.
Okay, guys, you get the gist. I'm super impressed. I've never seen anything like this, and I'm sure you guys probably haven't either. The fact that they have an entire bathroom stall, 2 stalls. Yeah, guys, so definitely check it out. We're gonna head back down right now. Perfect. And guys, remember these forks are made out of bamboo. All authentic.
Natural and disposable.
Disposable, yeah. Wow. This is life. Thank you so much. So you eat the eye?
Yeah,
So
bro.
where's the eye?
Gone, man.
American, Jamaica. The eye gone, everything. Man eat everything. I'm still working on mine.